Hello friends, this is video number 1 for the teachers, and I have started one new section that is for. In this we will have different types of activities so that the teacher can see that, use that and teach the students well. Here we'll start revision plan. Here is the planning guide. Is only for student 9. You understand points, think over that. You can make changes according to your situation and needs because this is just general. Now for revision, this is the first question. What does the word that is given in Gujarati also? Punravartan Shabd. See, after reading these questions, you take your pen and notebook and make the points. Discuss in make at least 5 points. Then you open this and compare your point with this also. And suppose your points sometimes differ in wording or even in matter, don't bother at all because everybody had different situations. Here it is said that going back over what has already been taught and learned. એટલે કે જે વસ્તુ આપણે શીખવી છે અથવા વિદ્યાર્થીઓ શીખ્યા છે એનો ફરીથી તાજું અહીં ગુજરાતીમાં પણ આપેલું છે તમે વાંચો. It involves reviewing key concept. આમાં what should be involved? Key concept, skills and some lessons for strengthening understanding. Then third, how it is helpful. So it helps refresh memory and build a bridge between past learning and the new learning. And it means to see here the word analysis. Then fifth point that it includes clarifying doubts, reinforcing basics, and correcting. So friend, this gives you idea. In the same way for the next you can do. Here is why revision. Without looking at this, you make the points and then read this. You can understand. And for more clarification for anyone, you can read this Gujarati also. This way go on. See, why is the reason of revision? See, student come over time means after the vacation, and we know that after a long time things are for, and that is why we second, to prepare strong foundations before introducing new, more complex, not all the topics but core topics should be selected and they should be revised. Then revision helps in identifying learning gaps or misconception. Learning gaps means પુનરાવર્તન કરવાની જે વૃત્તિ એટલે પુનરાવર્તન સમજો. શીખવામાં ખામીઓ કે ગેરસમજ મદદ કરે છે અને એને વિશેષ કરીને ધીમા શીખતા વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે એટલે કે જે વિદ્યાર્થીઓ સ્લો લર્નર છે અથવા વીક છે એ આ પુનરાવર્તનથી આત્મવિશ્વાસ વધારે. એમનું પૂર્વ જ્ઞાન સક્રિય કરો અને એમ કરશો એટલે નવું શીખવું ઘણું સરળ બની જશે. Now third question, what to revise? See, key concept from the previous classes, that means 6 to 8, especially those needed for. They have learned certain points in 6 to 9, means you have to revise. See that. You haven't taught in those classes, but you see that course, content, all the things, and then you can have this. But here we will give you exercise, it means core grammar rules. Grammar rules means functional grammar, vocabulary, language, function. So grammar rules, vocabulary, language, functions, that means tenses, articles, sentence type, all the things are included indirectly in continuous exercise. Reading comprehension and writing formats. Say different types of paragraph, formal letters, or message, or email, everything just use in which are not, they haven't learned in 6th, 7th, 8th, You don't. They will learn in 9. Speaking and listening task for basic clue. So they will be able to speak that, listen that and understand. And so they will develop their fluency and develop comprehension also. Any topic marked as recurring learning outcomes. So you will learn this, and these are the learning point. And in progression for each, there are different points you can use that. Okay, and this is the fourth. How to revise. Now we know what is the meaning and what is contained or included in that. Then also we learn how to revise that. So use quick diagnostic tasks. So you give certain tasks so that you can understand whether they know that or not. Like quiz, short test, or oral question answer essays prior knowledge. You also give them group activities, flashcards, picture based tasks, games, etc. Give them learning based worksheets, especially on grammar, writing, reading comprehension, etc. Include listening tasks also. You let them hear the audio clips, or you can also prepare the audios on in your own voice or get the ready-made audio, but that should be at the level. And give in the beginning, give very short sessions, short and particular. In one session, you are teaching one, then maybe second if the small points are there. And for each time, take 20 to 30 minutes. I will give you about 40 activities, but it is not necessary that you have to do all the activities. Which your student know well, you can understand by diagnostic test, and then select which you have. Now you can read this. Friends, your mind will be very clear why we have to do